Ryan with Premier, how you doing? Hey. So, this is a little segment from the equipment we use playlist, or for the equipment we use playlist. This is a Bensink Rotary Broom, and this is going to save your life. Now, when you made the switch from steel bristle hand push broom to a power broom, like a still power broom or gas powered power broom, you thought to yourself, oh my god, this is great, I've been killing myself for nothing. Well, you know how it can be lugging around that rotary broom all day. I mean the power broom all day. It can get pretty heavy, and I mean, it's great. I can't say this is better than that, really. This is just for, I think, for bigger areas, you know. And let's check it out. It is a rotary broom, hydraulically driven, and it is dual action, so it goes clockwise, counterclockwise. The bristles on mine are about 4 inches, 5 inches shorter than they normally are. This thing usually sits up like that, but you know, I'm wearing my brushes out. So it's good for doing heavy silt, like deposits, areas where you have stuff that the broom won't get up. The only thing I don't like about this is the size of the bristle. So if you look at these, they're kind of big. They need to be small, like the steel, like the steel push brooms. But I think if they were that small, like, this thing's hard to handle as it is. I mean, I'm 275 pounds, and this thing fucking throws me around. So, you know, don't put your small guy behind this. Listen, they give you a kill switch, like a jet ski, okay? Essentially, it's the same control that is going to be on your sealer rig for your agitator. You know, you got left, you got right. The handlebars, these handlebars will move. So if you're up against something, you can kind of slide it over. You can slide it over left, right, however, you know. And that's good for the torque, because again, this thing's going to want to throw you to one way. So that actually helps with the torque quite a bit. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It does have some sort of like adjustment for the, I don't know what that means, so I can't help you there. But let's go see what you can do. Holding my phone at the same time. Just like I said, this thing wants to fucking throw you. Great for cleaning out the cracks. It really does a good job of crack cleaning. Gets you down that half an inch. You know, sometimes if you're not, like, if you're doing a job that you're supposed to blanch or something, you just need to clean them out really good. And once you hit this thing with the blower, it does a good job of cleaning cracks out. Just like the power broom does, you know. Like I said, this is meant to take the place of the power broom. You pick these up at Sealmaster. Sealmaster sells them. I would refer you to your Sealmaster rep.